Hey, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. Today I'm so excited because it is spring, y'all, and the FabFitFun box is here. I am so excited. I just woke up and this was here this morning. I was like, yes, so excited. So let's go ahead and open this up. I already forgot what I picked out, honestly, because it was so many months ago. Or at least I felt like it was so many months ago. But anyways, let's get to opening this box. Okay, so I just opened the box and there's all of this tissue paper. Here's my actual spring box. So before I go ahead and open up the box for spring, I'm gonna show you guys what I got standalone. I got this PMD personal microderm. This is pretty much it's one of those things that sucks out your pores, the stuff from your pores. But you don't want to leave it on your on a spot of your face for too long because then you're gonna bruise and stuff like that. But I'm super excited for this because it's going to help exfoliate. Okay, it says vacuums the suction and triggers cell turnover, and then it also absorbs any dead skin cells, any oils, or anything else that's on your skin. Super cool. It says this is going to help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Got these right here. Increased hydration, dryness right here. Diminishing of dark spots. I've got them all throughout here right now. Even out skin tone and texture, and reduce the appearance of pores, which are huge on my nose. So I'm so excited for this because I've been waiting to see if BoxyCharm would have it on sale, and every time they do, it's just someone always gets the last one right before I do. But this was on here for FabFitFun, cheaper than BoxyCharm, so not mad at it, not mad at it. So really excited for this. So let's go ahead and open up the spring box. All right, so let's go ahead and open this box up. Ta-da! Spring! Alrighty, so let's just see what's kind of on the top and we'll just go through the box. Alrighty, so this first thing is, this is a $15 off your first FabFitFun box. I'm gonna leave this little product code down in the description box below if you are interested. Highly recommend. I went ahead and bought the whole year, so, and it was a much cheaper value. So I would highly recommend buying the whole year in advance rather than paying every 3 months for it. And then it came with some stickers, y'all. Stickers are fun. I don't know, I can't make the commitment to put a sticker down. Could anyone else? I don't know, I can't. And then it comes with a little magazine that has everything kind of curated in here as well. Let's get to what's in here. Throw that away. Okay, so first thing I grabbed right here these are the Say Hello. They're kind of like the makeup erasers, but they're not. These are the little cotton rounds, y'all. Reusable beauty rounds. So yeah, they're just reusable cotton rounds. That's all they are. I already have a collection going of these types of things because I really do feel like this can do a whole lot compared to a regular cotton round. And I like that it comes with 3, so it's not just 1 or 2 or anything like that. Super excited for this then. These feel really soft, very soft. So I'll probably take my makeup off with these tonight just to try them out and whatnot. So cool. What else is in here? Ahava Time to Clear Refreshing Cleansing Gel. This is what this does look like. This is cute. I think I want to say I tried one of their mud masks from this brand a long time ago when I had Ipsy. So cool. I'll put this in my pile of cleansers. So it looks like I've got 2 little milk makeup things right here. Let's find out. I don't know what this is. This first one is the Watermelon Brightening Face Mask. I think this is different from what I already have, which I have is a brightening, yeah, this is different. I have the brightening serum in a stick that's watermelon. So that's really cool. Okay, cool. And this one's a mask. It says, glow in a flash, solid clay mask, stick brightens, hydrates, and even skin tones for a luminous complexion. And then it also came with a little tiny, oh, see, this is the watermelon brightening serum. So I'll probably put this in a giveaway or something just because I have the full size version of it and this is a mini. So I'm not gonna open this. Ooh. Okay, so what is this? This looks like exercise equipment. I don't really do it too. I need to do more. I need to do more. It's getting bad. Okay, so what is this? So this is the Gaiam Studio Select, the Ultimate Core Training Kit. I ain't got no abs, so I definitely need to work on the core, y'all. Okay, so this is going to target and tone the core, build strength, burn calories, increase flexibility. It says, say yes to a better you. So it comes with a mini ab ball and a core reformer, which looks kind of like a flower. I don't know, it's interesting. I'm gonna pull it out and show you guys in a second. Oh, cool. So this gives you a 1 free month to the Gaiam's Yoga Studio app, which is really cool. So I'll be leaving all of these little products, discount codes in the description below. All right, so just to show you guys what this looks like, I think I've had one of these Gaiam balls before, And they give you like, I think they give you like a plastic tube that you like blow it up with. So really kind of cool. But this is like the thing that I was like saying. I don't know what, it looks like a giant flower. Kind of, you know, you see what I'm saying by like a giant flower? It's got like these two and then these two. So yeah, I think, so the picture has the girl standing on two of these and then the other two she was like pulling. So definitely gonna have like some resistance on this for sure. Super, super interesting and kind of exciting. And I like that they give you like a month free subscription to their app. So hopefully they'll have, oh wait, even, okay, hold on. If I can read these cards better. Down here at the bottom it says download your workout and care guides. So it also like shows you or gives you exercises online on how to use these things. So cool. Okay, so I've got this down, and then I'll show you guys what the ball looks like. The ball comes deflated. I'm assuming it comes with like a little straw-like thing to help blow it up. Or unless it's like one of those ones that you can just like blow. Nope, comes with the straw. You take off the plastic tip, you put the straw in here, and then you blow it up. All right, ball. Cool, so what is next in here? Whatever this is. This is, I want to say these are coasters. That's kind of cool. We got a new coffee table. We got one of those smart coffee tables. It's literally, it's got 2 drawers. It's got outlets, a USB port. It lights up underneath. It's also a mini fridge, y'all. It's awesome. And also like plays. We can get it to like play the TV through it as well. It's really, really cool. Expensive, but definitely worth every bit of its money. Like I can definitely say that. Definitely worth every bit. Alrighty, so it looks like we've got like different little coasters. They all look different. I am kind of saddened that like all of these have like this white trim, but this one does. But this one's probably my favorite because it looks like a snowflake or something. What is this? Okay, looks like we've got some earrings maybe, or, oh, I think these are hairpins actually. Like, for your hair, like hair clips. Yes, they are. Look, oh my god, these are so cute. So check these out. These are super cute. Oh, these are so cute. And yeah, they're like little clips. They're like little clamp clips. Okay, so what else is in here? This is what's in here. I don't even know what this is. I don't know. I can't even see what this is. All right, so what is this? This is Pure Iconic Glow. This is Illuminating Face and Body Dry Oil. Dry oil? That's interesting. What does it say on the side of the box? It says, let your inner light shine with this antioxidant rich face and body dry oil that is specially formulated to capture the look of glistening skin. The unique soft focus diamond powder helps you achieve radiant shimmer without unwanted greasy feelings. It says dispense dry oil onto the palms and apply on the face after cleansing and moisturizing. For best results on the face, apply under foundation. Okay. Let us see what this is. Oh, cool. It comes in like a little Hello box. It comes in this little glass jar, kind of like a serum jar, where it has like a little push top. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of this and just kind of put it on my arm. And I just put like a tiny, I put like 1 drop on me just to kind of see what this does, what it feels like. Is it, you know, is it gonna be greasy or not? Because that's always a good question about like these shimmer oils and stuff like that. I don't think I would apply this underneath foundation, just because it's very like shiny, and I wouldn't want it to mess with the foundation itself. But would definitely like to use this on like my body for sure. It's not greasy feeling at all. Cool. Really excited to try this out, especially since summer's coming soon. Woo. Okay, let's see what we've got over here. We got a couple more coupons, y'all. All right, so this first one is for Nourish. This is a 30% off coupon. All right, so this is like a daily vitamins and supplements personally delivered to you. I think I've seen like commercials with this before. I've just never, I can't take a pill this large to save my life. Like I would literally choke and die on it. Like I'm absolutely terrified of pills. Like I will go to the doctor and be like, do you have liquid form? Chewable. Like I'll do anything like that. Like I don't care about the taste. I can like drink something behind it because yuck. Like the pills, can't do it. So yeah, this is 30% off of their vitamins. So cool. I'm gonna definitely put this in the description box below, y'all. And then here's another one. This is from HelloFresh. Okay, we're gonna have to really just try HelloFresh out, I think. All right, so this is 13 free meals, includes free shipping on your first order. That's fantastic, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one in the description box below. This is fantastic. It says jumpstart your new routine. Okay. It says enjoy flexible meal options that check all the boxes. Enjoy varieties, save time, save money, have fun. Cool. That's really interesting. I'm gonna really have to check out HelloFresh and maybe let you guys know how I think about it. So, I believe this is gonna be the last thing in the box. That's what it looks like. All right, I have no idea. Like, I really did not know what I picked out this past month at all. Like, I feel like I remember picking out the coasters because I was like, these are cute. And I definitely feel like I picked this out. I had to have picked everything out, honestly. At the end of the day, I had to have picked it all out. I really did. Because I think because I do the whole year subscription, I get to pick out all my items. And I think like a few things are, like, I don't think I picked these. I don't think I picked these clips out, but they're so cute and they're definitely going to come in handy for me. Like, so much. Oh my gosh. Y'all, it's a cactus cup. I'm dead right now. Like, a freaking cactus cup. Like, I could cry. This is so funny. Like, I had no idea I picked a cup out or anything like that. I don't know why I find this so funny. I just really do. It's hilarious. So this is a 21-ounce cactus cup with straw, obviously. Oh my gosh. It is dishwasher safe, BPA, lead, and phthalate free as well. Cold liquids only. Put some water. Oh my god, I'm like so dead. Oh my gosh, and even the sides cactus because they have holes up them. Oh my god, that's so crazy. This is just so cute, and it's got a cute little straw to match it. It's purple. It's got a little stopper so it'll catch. Oh my god, this is just so freaking cute. Did I pick this? Like, I have no idea picking if I picked this. Thank you, Vienna, because I'm just gonna love this. I'm gonna take this to work with me. I'm gonna take it everywhere I go. Okay, I'm just like really too excited about this. Way too excited. But anyways, y'all, that completes Spring's FabFitFun box. I had a total blast. I'm so excited to try pretty much all of this out. Like, super excited for these cotton rounds. I'm way too excited about this cup though. Way too excited. I got some new coasters for my new coffee table. I got a cleanser. Not gonna use it anytime soon, but I'm gonna put it with the rest of my, like, we're gonna save it until we need it. I'm really, really excited to try this body oil out because my arm does not feel greasy at all, like at all. And then I'm really excited to try this clay mask that's on a stick. I mean, hello, that's gonna be such an easy application. And then again, I'm gonna be saving my last little mini watermelon brightening serum from Milk. So that completes everything in this box, y'all. It was just blast, total blast. So I will see you guys in the next video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.